using the Lasso Tool and Polygonal Lasso Tool in Photoshop. So I will start with my first document and show you how the Lasso Tool works. It's another selection tool. That means that all the selection tools have the same options: cropping, feather, adding color, or adding or subtract from the selection. I pick that image. I will click Ctrl Command T to resize it a little bit more. Let's resize. And then I will pick the Lasso tool. Try it from here. You can really draw like a free drawing for the selection. Make sure you close the selection. Then you will be able to delete. Now sometimes the Lasso tool is not perfect. I mean, you can see that the line is not smooth. That's where you can add feather. Let's try again. Lasso. Select the area. Right click, feather. And we can try less, maybe just 10 pixels. And click delete. Always remember to deselect with Ctrl Command D. Now it's a little bit more smooth. And Ctrl Command T to resize it. The size of the document. And then we have that transparent area where you can add maybe a rectangle behind as a background. Make sure it's in the layers panel behind the shape. Change its color. And continue working on our document. Now let's try the Polygonal Lasso tool, which creating in Photoshop just straight lines. Resize it. I will pick the Polygonal. Now each click will create a point where you can just click, drag again. Don't hold the mouse, just click and creating. Can create a triangle, zigzag, and just delete. Ctrl Command D. Now again, like we said, you can always use the same options for all the selection. As long as you see these marching ants, that means that it's a selection. I can right click, layer via copy. Let's try layer via cut. It's creating another layer. Now we'll go back to the layer. And use the selection again. Make sure you close the selection. You can see that ellipse appearing. Right click, layer via cut. And with the move tool, I will move it in the document.